Slideshow Movie Maker is a program designed to help you to convert your static images into videos. You can convert either single or multiple images into a video. The program also allows you to add an audio soundtrack. The completed files give you the option of allowing the image file names to appear on the final image. In this way, you can add a text box to the video. Probably the best way to start using the program is to click Wizard on the toolbar. The wizard box should appear. The first panel will explain what you are about to do. Click Next. The next panel will let you add pictures to your project. Go to the folder where you can select the images that you want to convert to an AVI file. If you're doing this for the first time, you may want to just select one image just to see how the basics of the program work. You may notice that the file selected is called lion-1-small. This title will appear on the video unless we change the setting to remove it. The next panel will allow you to choose how long you want the video to last. If you click Browse, the following dialog box will appear where you can type the project name in File Name and choose the folder in Save In. If you're happy with the project, you can click the box marked No, I don't want to change any settings. This will cause a dialog box to appear which will allow you to choose the video and audio codecs for your video project. As this project has no audio track, we just have to select the video compression. Here I have chosen to compress the video using a DivX codec. If you want to create a project without using the wizard, you can load pictures by clicking Objects in the toolbar and then firstly clicking Add Pictures. In this project we can see that I have added 3 different images which I want to join together to form one complete AVI file. You must choose a method of fading from one image to the next. To start with, you may want to choose Add Random Fadings, as this way the computer will randomly select the method of fading from one image to the next. Therefore, select an image. In this picture you can see that I have selected the image in position 0 and then clicked Add Random Fadings. This has brought up the box-wipe effect in the fade-effect box. To add an audio soundtrack, first click the image in the picture list where you want the audio to start. Then click Objects and then Add Audio. This will create a dialog box which will allow you to select a piece of audio which will act as a soundtrack to your project. You may want to choose a WAV file to act as the soundtrack, as this is a lossless format and should have a better sound quality than a file such as an MP3. You may want to alter some of the settings for the files as they appear in the final project. For example, you may want to change the frames for showing picture so that each image appears on the video file for different lengths of time. To do this, select an image, type in the relevant number in the frames for showing picture box and then click Update. When you click Start Creation, this dialog box will appear. At the top you can see the file name and the folder in which the project will be saved. Then click Choose Video Codec and choose the method of compression. Here I have chosen the DivX codec. When you have done this, you can choose the audio codec. Personally, I don't like using this program to add an audio track to the video, as I find it inflexible as to where the audio track starts, and the program often doesn't allow the audio codec that I choose. However, you may want to try using the program to add an audio track, and you may find it works well for you. If for some reason you want to abandon the project and start again, you can click Project and then click Reset. This will remove all of the image and audio files from the project. If you want to remove the image title from the video file, this is a method that I have developed. Firstly, alter the name of the file so that it has a Z at the end of it. Here you can see that I've renamed the file as lion-1-small-z. Then click Special and the following dialog box appears. Type in Z in the box, remove all letters until declared letters are found. Then click Start. Of course, this only works if no Z appears in the title name before the end of the title. If you want to select a particular fade effect between the different images, click the image in the picture list and then click the Fade Effect drop-down box and select the effect that you want. I've found that for some reason some of the effects listed do not work. I have no idea why this should be, but you may want to try different effects to see how they look. Before you save the final project, you can check the settings for each image. Click on the image and you can check the time for each event and the fade effect that will appear. In the example below, you can see that I have updated the frames for showing picture setting for the second image.